Alright, so if there was one chart that I was watching for the week of 4th of July and next, this would be it. With all the political uncertainty and political climate going on right now, this stock has been overlooked, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin has surged. Come on, guys, you're all missing out. This is the big picture we got to look at here with this trade. I'm going to run through quick technical analysis. Let's look at it. Let's just take a look. You don't have to do anything. Actually, disclaimers below. Thank you for tuning in.
So I know a lot of you have heard about Facebook and Libre coin lately. Well, this is why I really like Twitter right now. Did you guys know that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey is also CEO and founder of Square, ticker SQ? Yeah, for real. So Facebook has Libre coin. Bitcoin had some massive gains past couple weeks. With all the political uncertainty, China stuff going on, people are looking to put their money elsewhere. I'm looking at it as of July 1st, one Bitcoin, $11,143. Okay? I know, a lot of us aren't in Bitcoin. Some of us don't even want to be a part of trading that. But there are other ways that you can trade it. So the stock I'm telling you about today is Twtr. Now, Twtr, like I said, the CEO, Jack Dorsey, is also CEO and founder of both companies, Twtr and Square. Square Payments accepts Bitcoin as payment. Facebook Libre coin is basically just like a Visa or MasterCard. How can you make additional money off that? I think there was a overreaction to Libre coin and what they're trying to do with it. They're saying that it's, quote, cryptocurrency when it's actually not. It's just another form of Visa or MasterCard, except they called it crypto, so it's unregulated, so Facebook can take over more market. Well, Twtr actually does have payment systems. Well, not Twtr specifically, but Square. So why can't Square come in, same CEO, same founder, come link it up? Was this Jack Dorsey's idea the whole time? I don't know, but the chart's looking real interesting right now. I'm looking at a long-term chart from back May 2017. This is around this time. Twtr took a huge dip this next 6 months into that January, then started again its uptrend. Well, I'm seeing a similar pattern trade out right now. Similar investors coming in and out of this thing. So I want to point a couple things out to you. It might seem a little bit messy to you, but to me this makes total sense. So this upper blue line, this is a resistance line. It broke out here in June 2018. And we're right around that time right now. Keep that in mind because that's coming up next. And but it has been a ceiling of resistance in the past. And then below we have our support from trough to peak. So a couple things on here. First, Fibonacci ratios. I wanted to measure from that low point to the high and see where it projected out to, because that's what I'm looking at for Twtr to do again. So if we look at this, Twtr went up, tested this upper ceiling of resistance, pulled back down to $26.58, and then had a massive swing up to $47.66. Then ABC correction down. Well, very interesting it does that. I want to come back to where it broke out of this wedge back here. In this area, there's actually a little double top. And if you've read any of my short articles on technical analysis, I talk about how patterns are always repeating. And this is why you got to know charts, because they are. There's a huge repeating pattern in this. So we got this little double top right here. Boom, boom. We got it again. Boom, boom. And it falls off hard right there. Falls off hard. Okay? And then it starts its run up. And I marked it out already. So it falls off, starts its run up. Then you get a little pullback. And that would be right in here. That would be right in here. And what happens after? That would be when we start our fib ratio. And it measures out very nicely. So we got a 618 retracement from high to low right here. And then we are sitting at a 618 retracement and potential double bottom. And let me take you back April 2018 when it did this, from peak to trough. When it pulled back 618 retracement, it ended up extending to 1414. So going back to this resistance line, pulling back, retracing 618, which would take it to about double bottom around 33s. Some indicators are showing that it is very close to a double bottom, but measuring that out with a fib extension tool, we get back up to in between the 1272 and 1414 extension. That brings us right back to this resistance line. And if we can break above that, oh my gosh, Twitter could really move. With all the political stuff going on right now, there's going to be so much money getting dumped into advertising for this company. All the Bitcoin stuff, if Square does anything to link the two companies together, it's a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying, big picture, Facebook's doing it. Why wouldn't Twitter do it? There is some risk in this trade. As always, there's risk. The downside is actually very minimal. That's why I really like it this week, especially for 4th of July short week trade. So currently sitting at 34.28. It could potentially have a full ABC corrective wave down to about mid $31. So you're risking 2 points for 15. Real quick, I just wanted to point something else out. There was a gap. Twitter did gap up April 2019, end of April, and it filled. The market has been filling gaps every chance it has lately. Every chance it's had to fill a gap lately. So, right here at 33.97 would be a double bottom, almost on the money, but this could be a double bottom where it's at currently. So check it out, decide what you want. Thank you guys for listening. I hope we make some money this week. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this bread.